Good day everyone, this is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to create cube root solver in C++. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you very much to my subscribers and all my supporters in my channel. We are improving in terms by numbers. I really appreciate your all-out support, your likes, comments, share. All of them helps my channel to improve in terms of viewers and followers. Thank you so much. So if you are new with my channel, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, click the notification bell at the right side so that you will be notified when my newly uploaded video. Share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. So a cube number is a number multiplied by itself 3 times. This can also called a number cube. So we have here some examples. So let's say for example we have 8, 27, 64 and 125. So 8, we can get 8 by 2 times 2 times 2. We can have 8. 3 times 3 times 3 becomes 27. 4 times 4 times 4 becomes 64. And then 5 times 5, 25 times 5 will be 125. So let us go in our program here. By the way guys, I'm using codeblocks as my text editor. In the recording of this video, I'm using 20.03. I will put a link in the description below so that you can download the complete program listing in this tutorial video if you don't want to type. So we have here a comment here, and then we have here 2 library files. So the IO stream for input output and math.h for mathematical operations using the POW library file in C++. So we have here using namespace std and then line number 12 int main. The int main is the starting point of the program execution of any C++ program when we compile our program. This will be the first function to be searched by our compiler to execute our program. Line number 13 will be left curly bracket, and then here I have 2 variables, integer num and then double cube root. As you observe guys, I initialize all these variables to 0 to avoid erroneous result during the program execution. Line number 13 will be a new line. Line number 18 will be the title of our program, cube root solver in C++. Take note of the symbol \t. It refers to escape sequence in C++ called horizontal tab. \n. The console out or cout is for console to display. Now, in line number 20 and 21, and line number 19 to new line. The purpose of this is more on formatting. Line number 20 to 21, we are asking the user to give a number that will be stored in our variable num. And then line number 23, cube underscore root is having a data type of double, will perform the conversion using POW function or power num float 1/3 raised to the power of 3 using this library file math.h. So line number 25, another 2 new line as escape sequence character, and then line 26 will be the display of the result. The cube root of num is cube root, and then line 28 will be new line 29 \t end of the program, which informs the user that the program is already been ended. And then line number 30 will be new line, and then line number 31 is the last statement will be right curly bracket. So after we have done, the next step that we'll do is to build and run the program. Okay, so in our example, let's say we can cube root solver in C++, let's say give a number, let's say 8, it will give us 2. Okay, another example, let's say 27, we can have 3. So give a number 27, the cube root 27 is 3. Okay, another example, if we have 64, give a number 64, we can have 4. And a program. And then last example, 125, give a number, cube root solver in C++, 125. The cube root of 125 is 5, end of the program. So this is the end of our tutorial video, guys, on how to create a cube root solver in C++ using codeblocks as our text editor. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. This is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, guys. Bye bye for now.